Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. The utter secrecy of the case continues. We see this through the three documents interrelated that appeared on the public docket on the 26th of June 2025. The first is the defendant's 24th supplemental request for discovery. It reads that the defense is seeking discovery and inspection of all materials discoverable by the defendant per ICR, that's a rule of court 16b 1 through 8, and the aforementioned constitutional provisions. Earlier on pages 1 at the top of page 2, the defense cites to certain provisions of the federal and state constitution, including but not limited to the following information, evidence, and materials outlined in Exhibit W. Now, what would the defense be seeking weeks before Voir Dire, which is now scheduled to commence on August 4th, 2025, from the state of Idaho? What are they seeking discovery of? What are they seeking inspection of? Well, the public does not know, because the details concerning what is being requested is contained in Exhibit W. It's called Exhibit W because the first exhibit to the first discovery request was listed in Exhibit A, B, C, D throughout the rest of the supplemental discovery requests. All were filed under seal, and this is what the defense is asking for here, because contemporaneously with filing this 24th supplemental request for discovery comes the defendant's motion to seal Exhibit W. It reads, comes now Brian C. Koberger by and through his attorneys of record, and hereby moves the court for an order to seal all Exhibit W in the defendant's 24th supplemental request for discovery pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32 and a prior order of the court. Which prior order of the court? It is not cited to here, no specifics. One day later comes the order sealing Exhibit W, and it reads, the court having before it the motion to seal Exhibit W to defendant's 24th supplemental request for discovery and good cause appearing, now therefore it is hereby ordered Exhibit W to the defendant's 24th supplemental request for discovery shall be filed under seal for the reasons outlined in the previously filed motion and pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32. So ordered, June 26, 2025, Judge Stephen J. Hippler, signature appearing here. So we have the latest exhibit explaining what exactly the defense believes that the state has in its possession, custody, or control in terms of relevant evidence to Mr. Koberger's defense under seal. This is an order that was signed on the same day that the court filed an amended scheduling order advising the public that there is now a sealed proceeding with the court and counsel only, a closed matter, from July 28th, 2025 through August 1st, 2025, with Voir Dire jury selection happening the following Monday, August 4th, 2025. When was the last time there was a proceeding this long scheduled in the case? I believe it was when the canceled preliminary hearing was set to occur in June 2023, which was canceled when the indictment was returned by the grand jury. So we continue to see an utter wall of secrecy, in my opinion, in this case, continuing as matters inch toward trial. I give my opinions, as always, pursuant to the U.S. Constitution, Amendment number 1, freedom of speech and of the press. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.